What's up guys, Lego here with Dyna Demos, and today I'm doing a quick modification for my Dyna's bar bag. And if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, please stay tuned. And if you happen to like the video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. All right guys, so here it is. Here's my San Diego Customs bar bag. Pretty much everybody that rides a Harley is probably familiar with bar bags. You know, a lot of people keep their registration in here and then some other little knickknacks. If you look in mine, I probably got some random things in here. Battery tender piece so you could charge your phone. I got some tools, and I'm not gonna show you guys my registration because that has all my information on it. But what I want to do in this video is, instead of mounting it up here, just because I like the way that it looks without the bar bag on it, because it looks way cleaner with my gauge setup and everything, I'm going to mount it to the side, to the battery cover. And you're probably wondering, where's my battery cover at? Well, I already started because I wanted to do a test run, and there's my first hole. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna mount my bar bag over here on my battery cover, and then I'm gonna let you guys see it, and then you guys can tell me what you think. So I'm gonna get started. All right guys, so the tools that I'm using to do this is just a cutting wheel with a Dremel. I got this over at Lowe's, which I live right across the street from a Lowe's, so it really works out for me all the time whenever I need tools. And then I'm using this tool, which I think is just an engraver, and I used it to clean up the hole. This was just my test run. I'm gonna make another one over here, then I'll make one on the sides, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. So I'm gonna do that now. Safety first. All right guys, here she is. Cut all the holes with the Dremel. Not too bad, I cleaned it up. There's a little bit of fuzz on them. And if you're wondering why there's two sets of holes on the side, it's because I screwed up the far hole over here. The straps that I have don't reach far enough, so I had to cut new holes. Walked a little bit right there, but used permanent marker, covered it up. Plus with the bag on the side, you're not even gonna be able to see it. So now I'm gonna mount the bag, show you guys what it looks like. Here's the finished product. Got the straps all strapped up. Came out pretty good, besides the extra holes. Just ignore those, you won't even be able to see them. About to see what it looks like on the bike. Okay, that took way longer than it should have, but here it is, finished product. Bar bag's mounted to the right side battery cover. Super clean, besides the two extra holes, but you won't even be able to see them when you're riding. Already sat on the bike, leg clears it, so don't have to worry about that. I'm digging it though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So that's gonna do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I wanna know what you guys think in the comments about the new mounting location. I know I'm not the first one to do it, but I've always dug the way that it looks to have it on the battery cover instead of having the bar bag up on the bars. So if you guys think it looks dope too, please let me know in the comments, and all the haters, please tell me how stupid it is. But that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.